451 species in genus Baccharis. April 9th, Baccharis. Baccharis, the hardy shrub, represents April 9th. This plant symbolizes protection and renewal. You are a dependable and revitalizing force in people's lives, always offering strength and fresh perspectives. Like Baccharis, you are both enduring and adaptable. My exploration of the Baccharis genus. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always fascinated by the diversity and resilience of the plant kingdom. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Baccharis, a group of perennials and shrubs belonging to the aster family, Asteraceae. Commonly known as Baccarises, these plants are sometimes referred to as brooms due to their small, thin leaves that resemble those of true brooms. This genus boasts over 450 species, making it one of the largest in the Asteraceae family. Its distribution spans across the Americas, with a concentration in the warmer regions of Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, and Mexico. In the United States, Baccharis is found mainly in the southern states, particularly in California, where it thrives in diverse habitats, from coastal salt marshes to arid deserts. Why I'm drawn to Baccharis. Several factors contribute to my fascination with this genus. First and foremost, Baccharis species exhibit remarkable adaptability. They can tolerate a wide range of environmental conditions, including drought, salinity, and poor soil. This hardiness makes them valuable for ecological restoration and landscaping in challenging environments. Secondly, Baccharis plays a crucial role in their ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for various insects, birds, and mammals. For instance, the mule fat, Baccharis salicifolia, a common species in California, is a vital food source for the California mule deer. Additionally, many Baccharis species are known to attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, with their abundant flowers. Finally, some Baccharis species have traditional medicinal uses. Indigenous communities have long utilized these plants for treating various ailments, from skin infections to digestive issues. While modern research on the medicinal properties of Baccharis is ongoing, their historical significance adds another layer of intrigue to this genus. Diving deeper into Baccharis species. The sheer diversity within the Baccharis genus is astounding. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My continued exploration. My journey with Baccharis is far from over. I'm eager to learn more about the lesser-known species, their ecological interactions, and their potential applications in ecological restoration and sustainable landscaping. I believe that a deeper understanding of this genus can offer valuable insights into plant adaptation, ecosystem dynamics, and the intricate connections between humans and the natural world. As I continue to explore the world of Baccharis, I invite fellow plant enthusiasts to join me in appreciating the beauty, resilience, and ecological significance of this fascinating genus.